Smith & Loveless complete factory-built pump stations are the result of years of experience in over 3,000 units from coast to coast in the United States, including Alaska and Hawaii, in Canada, in Europe, South America. Smith & Loveless pump stations are factory-built at this modern, well-equipped plant in Lenexa, Kansas, near Kansas City. Smith & Loveless combines imaginative engineering with skilled manufacturing to produce the world's finest automatic underground sewage pumping stations.
Smith & Loveless originally was founded, as everybody knows, by Alden Smith and Compere Loveless. They were manufacturers' reps, and they came up with the idea of a pump station. Meanwhile, things were going very well for me back in New Jersey, and they offered me to come out here to take over Smith & Loveless.
When they bought it out, Bob Ribori, Frank's father, bought the place out, it basically changed the place considerably.
You know, when I initially started, got to spend a lot of time working directly with Frank Weis and, you know, getting to, you know, learn a lot of stuff from him and, you know, hearing some of his stories of, you know, the original, you know, days of Smith & Loveless and that sort of thing. So as a, you know, as kind of a mentor was a great experience.
You know, Frank Weis, which was a legendary engineer around here.
Well, we've been very lucky, and I've been very fortunate in that I've been able to develop the company and then to leave it in really good hands. Smith & Loveless is in great hands with Frank and Lynette.
What drives our innovation, of course, has always been our leadership first and foremost, because starting with the spirit of Alden Smith and Compere Loveless, it's clear that their spirit is still with us in that sense. But even since then, I think we've had wise leaders that have recognized, especially under Bob and Frank Ribori, that we've have to have innovation. We have to continually develop new products, and there's a point of emphasis placed on our research and development.
The main success of Smith & Loveless is really innovation, and so our main focus at this company is to always try to stay ahead of the latest trends and be on the forefront of water and wastewater treatment. Smith & Loveless, of course, is a market leader in our 3 product segments: pumping, headworks, and treatment. And again, it really gets back to our main focus, which is protecting water and protecting people, and that's really what we want to do at Smith & Loveless.
Smith & Loveless was always the market leader, and we have been ever since I started here. That's what made it fun to be a sales guy, because you were selling something that was the best. It wasn't second best, it wasn't as good, it was better than everybody else.
Our products that we put out are just top-notch. All you got to do is plug it in, hit the go button, and probably not have to worry about it for a substantial amount of time.
If you go around the industry, talk to our customers in any aspect, in the industrial or wastewater treatment municipals, people know who Smith & Loveless is, and it's associated with, again, a company that's been around a long time, focused on the customer, focused on providing a great product that lasts a long time.
You know, whenever you hear about the name Smith & Loveless, or when you think about it, at least from traveling and talking to people, you know, those are the things that really stick out. Is you know, it's been around forever, always made a good product, and you know, doesn't seem like it's been bought and sold 20 times by different large corporations. So there's a lot of stability with that.
We innovated new ideas and new things, and I've been very fortunate. I have very good people working for me that was able to carry on and do all the good things that we had to do.
Look what we've come out with the Grit Removal Research Center. Look at how we have enhanced our pump testing facilities.
I think the continued investment in new technologies, research and development, has been our key reason why we have extended the piston name for so long, for example.
We're continually do research and development. We always make our products better, always.
You know, when I go home after a day at work and things like that, I think about how Smith & Loveless is impacting the world. When I first started at Smith & Loveless, I wanted to be helping the environment. That's always been a lifelong goal of mine. And I know with all of our equipment, returning it back to that natural state. And, you know, I want to leave this planet, I want to leave this life knowing that I've helped save this planet just a little bit.
I mean, I've been to places where you can see the water coming in is rusty red, and it's going out crystal clear. You can read through it. I mean, crystal clear. It's amazing.
You hear about every day water scarcity and what's happening out west, like in the Colorado River and Lake Mead and so on and so forth. This stuff isn't going away, and we have products that address that.
I think they just do what they're doing and keep focused, you know, and know that the industry is always changing. It's the nature of the beast. And as long as you're striving to improve your products and to stay competitive and for a fair price, this company will be here another 50 years.
When I think of Smith & Loveless and all the great history we have over 75 years, it just it brings to mind that despite 75 years, we are really only scratching the surface, and we have so much more to do and to give to the world with regard to water and wastewater. And our great innovative products are only getting better and really ultimately to help one main goal, which is protecting water and protecting people.
They can best explain how Smith & Loveless meets the challenging problem of pollution control.